Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome. Hey, so I put together this really cool trading journal for you and wanted to make this video go over how to use it. So once I give it to you, it's just going to be a little icon. We click on it. It's going to open up your Excel, okay? Now, down at the bottom is your pages. So you have your overview, your journal, your cash balance, your analysis, and your charts. So what we're going to want to do is we need to start with a balance, right? So we're going to go ahead and put in a date just for demonstration purposes. And then the description, a deposit, right? And the amount, let's just pretend it was the, here's a drop down. Oops. Deposit, and then let's just pretend the amount is the $2,000 from Top Step that they give us. So there we go. That cash balance is going to reflect in the overview now. So our cash invested 2,000, total balance 2,000. Okay, and now to get into how we mark our trades, we go into journal. Now what we're going to do here is we will go into trade number, it's going to be number 1, which is right here. We'll choose the date, which is 03/07/22. We're going to choose if the trade was in the AM or the PM. We're going to pick our setup, and these are all pre-done. So let's just say we did a short 33. This will be if it was a micro or a mini. Our position size is the number of contracts. We could do 2 just for demonstration purposes. We'll do the direction is supposed to be down, right, because we're short. The entry price, we could do whatever we want, but let's say we entered on the 33. Let's put our stop loss as a 50, and let's just say we exited this trade on the 12. So now the data is going to automatically populate. We have our risk to reward, which was a 1.9. This trade was a win. Our profit in units was 21. Oh, sorry, I had to update it. So it was a 1.2 risk to reward. Our profits in units, 21 units, which is contracts. And then that profit is 84. So 21 times 4, because we're doing 2 contracts, 84. Then of the $2,000 account balance, that $84 in profit was 4.20% of the account balance. And then if you wanted to, you could write some comments on the trade if you like. And then as we go and enter this information, it's going to populate in our analysis tab. We could see what setups we win and lose the most. We could see if we are winning and losing in the AM or the PM the most. We're going to be able to see our balances in what months we do the best and the worst, what months we win the most in, and we could always add to this later. Then we have our chart tab, which it'll give us a visual representation of our account balance. And then in our overview, it's also going to say how many short trades we won, how many long trades we won, the percentages, and all that good stuff. So just wanted to make this quick overview. I'm going to be sending this to you guys in the private room. So looking forward to seeing how you guys like it. We also have this little position size calculator. It's a risk to reward. So we enter in the entry price, our stop loss, and that's going to give us what type of risk to reward the trade is. So super cool stuff. Looking forward to you guys trying it, and I'll catch you guys later.